I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Nothing better than a red sangria in a hot summer day. Welcome to Let's Google It, everyone. And yes, today I'm going to show you how to make a red sangria. Sangria can be made with white wine or red wine, so today's recipe I'm making it with red wine, and I'm making it pretty much like a sports bar style. And what I mean by that you can do the mix and you can serve it right away. You don't have to wait a few hours or overnight to enjoy the amazing sangria. So what I'm using today, I'm using oranges and fresh lemon, sour apple, and a golden kiwi. And the kiwi, the only one I already peeled, and the rest I'm not peeling, so I gave it a nice quick wash to be used in the drink. It's a super easy drink to make, and you can use whatever you want in it. For the oranges here, you can see I'm slicing it into quarters. That way, easy to put in the glass after when you pour. So I'm gonna do the oranges and the apple and the lemon. I'm gonna slice them into quarters, and the fresh lemon as well into quarters. Here you go, the sour apple, and same thing. And for a slice, the thinner it's the better, so you can infuse the flavor into the drink quicker. And the kiwi here, the one I talked about, that I peeled them ahead of the time, so it's a golden kiwi. And this orange here, I'm gonna keep because I want to use it for fresh squeezed orange juice. So let's begin. And first thing, I'm gonna use the ice. Ice goes first. And fresh squeezed orange juice. Second step, we're putting all the fruit. Give it a quick mix. Here we go. Wooden spoon is important to keep in so you can stir when you serve, or you can pick some fruit to put in the glass when you drink it. So let me start here. I'm using a triple sec, and it's a nice and a fruity liqueur. So triple sec. Perfect. And for the red wine, you can use any red wine you have. And me, I'm using the Santa Carolina Cabernet Sauvignon. So let's go with the red wine. The ginger ale. Let's mix it all together. A nice looking red sangria. Now it's time to give it a try and ready to be served. As we said earlier, with this recipe you don't have to wait hours or overnight. With this recipe, it's ready to be served right away. Looking nice, so now the moment of the truth. Wow. What a summer refreshing drink. So do I give it 5 stars? 5 stars may be not enough for this recipe. So I'm gonna give it nice beautiful red rose for that nice refreshing drink. Red sangria, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.